po, hello. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Yes, hello naman sa Philippine Chatter, no? Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, to our partners, guests, and collaborators. Welcome po sa PETA Theater Center and thank you for joining us ngayong hapon. First of all, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our corporate partners from Metrobank, Ms. Frances Gail Male, CBSA Head of Digital Strategies, Lending and Insurance. Hello po. And Ms. Amabel Nucom, Head of Usage, Partnerships and Communications Management. Palakpakan po natin sila. And we would also like to acknowledge the presence from the people from Cambert, Pilipinas, Mr. Vince Marquez, Commercial Director, and Ms. Trina Belmonte, Business Unit Manager. Yes. And sa ating lahat, sa ating mga media partners, sponsors, and friends from media, magandang hapon po. Sige, ito na po yung speech ko. So, for almost 6 decades, PETA has used theater not just to tell stories, but to examine them, to ask what they reveal about who we are, what we've been doing, and imagine what we could become as a society. And as we wrap our season on exploring love and power, we are interested in how these forces move through our relationships, our communities, and through the stories we choose to share. So, ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4, Oh Shit, It's Live sa Cheddar, is a play about making a play. But as that unfolds, the play also turns the spotlight back to us, on the people who create, on the systems that influence what gets made, and on the blurred lines between intention, impact, and recognition. Because as the theater industry, or at least here in Metro Manila, becomes more visible and vibrant, it also becomes more urgent to ask, how do we tell stories responsibly? Where do we draw the line between passion and power, boundaries and consent, creativity and commercialism? And how do we stay truthful to the work in a time that rewards visibility, virality, and noise? And maybe that reflection becomes even more important when we look beyond the theater, because we are creating stories in a time of uncertainty. And in moments like this, storytelling is never neutral. The stories we tell can distract, they can distort, but they can also clarify, connect, and hold us accountable. And oh shit, it's live. Messy, sometimes uncomfortable, but hopefully honest. And dahil nasa PETA tayo, funny sana siya. So this afternoon, we are invited to open the lid on Theater Septic Tank. Just a teaser. Not just to enjoy the humor, the chaos, but to reflect on how we create, how we consume, how we critique, and how we hold each other in the process. We hope you enjoy this media conference for Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Oh shit, it's live sa Cheddar. Mapagpalayang panonood at pakikilahok sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, I'm Eugene Domingo, and